Good morning, I'm Gu Xiaojun, and I'd like to take the opportunity to talk about the topic of knowledge exchange. And in this paper, I am mainly responsible for two parts, which are abstract and introduction. Speaking about the abstract, with the changes of external environment and social expectations, the promoting of high-quality economic development has become an interest issue. On the basis of comprehensive literature and case analysis, this paper chooses KDP model, triple helix model, and quadruple helix model as methodological guidance to deeply explore the importance of strengthening knowledge exchange and promoting multi-stakeholder interaction under the background of knowledge economy. Through the analysis and comparison of knowledge exchange cases between Malaysia and Singapore, the problems existing in current practices are studied and discussed, which has reference significance for in-depth understanding and promoting knowledge exchange and sustainable development of future innovation in Malaysia and other countries. And then KDP model represents a development model combining teaching, learning, research, and services. The goal is to provide a meaningful exchange platform, encourage collaboration between academia, industry, and the community, promote the identification and matching the expertise in IPTA through the interaction between stakeholders, and explore the potential of IPTA expertise to meet the needs of industry and the community. IPTA represents public higher education institutions. KDP model is a good way to promote the long-term sustainable economic development, helping to contribute to the creation of a knowledgeable, high-income country. And then I'd like to introduce the triple helix model. The knowledge society is a society in which innovation is the main driving force. Triple helix model is an innovation model based on academia, industry, government through diversified firms and organizations, which surpasses the traditional double helix paradigm of government industry and academia industry. In the innovation activities, the actual needs are taken as the link, putting the government, academia, and industry three types of innovation subjects in the same position, through strengthening the interaction of the three to form an upward force, and finally achieve the goal of spiraling development. Speaking about the quadruple helix model, on the basis of establishment of the triple helix model, the public and civil society are creatively included in the consideration scope of the quadruple helix model. And the quadruple helix model innovation ecosystem of academia, industry, government, public, or civil society is proposed. Compared with the triple helix model, which aims to improve the industrial economic interests, the quadruple helix model puts the social public interests into it, which helps to absorb civil society as a sharing carrier of knowledge space, closely link knowledge power with public interests, and deal with the challenges of social ecology, social economic environment, and other issues from the South, and form a new balance between private interests and social public interests. Then, I'd like to describe the importance of knowledge exchange. Knowledge exchange includes management knowledge exchange, market knowledge exchange, and technical knowledge exchange, and so on. Knowledge exchange through communication and interaction between two or more parts to obtain new technologies and new knowledge. It is a great way to fill the knowledge base and provide sufficient basic raw materials for knowledge creation or innovation. For the government, knowledge exchange can have a positive impact on the operation of the government and the formulation of policies. Knowledge exchange helps the government to keep abreast of emerging trends, understand demands in the process of communicating with industries, universities, and the public, and make efficient and precise policies to enable high-quality development with scientific and technological innovation. For the industry, valuable market information and knowledge exchange will provide an important basis for firms to create relevant market products, and advanced technical knowledge will also provide a basis for firms to achieve high-level technological leapfrog. For the academia, it is the main body of knowledge creation, which is used to produce different forms of knowledge. Knowledge exchange can encourage cross-professional collaboration so that a large number of innovation results can gain practical value through the application of intellectual property rights, and the intellectual property rights themselves are integrated into the economy in more and richer forms. And for the civil society, knowledge exchange introduces social and democratic perspectives, introduce third-party organizations, social groups, and social forces into the decision of important matters, and breaks through the original industrial and policy constraints, which not only represents the role of civil society as an innovation subject in the regional innovation ecosystem, but also reflects the role of civil society as an innovation subject. In conclusion, knowledge exchange is helpful to realize the organization function of crossover and integration, make innovation organizational change endogenous variable, which will help to better serve the regional innovation and the sustainable development of national regional economy. And this is my statement. Thank you for your listening.